Welcome, dear students. Today, we are going to discuss about the self-employment schemes in relation to bioindustries. Self-employment schemes have gained increasing importance in the context of bioindustries, reflecting the dynamic and evolving nature of this sector. Bioindustries encompass a wide array of activities related to biotechnology, agriculture, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare, and they often serve as a fertile ground for entrepreneurship and self-employment. The bioindustries sector is characterized by its potential to drive innovation, address critical global challenges, and create sustainable economic opportunities. As the demand for biotechnological solutions continues to grow, self-employment schemes have emerged as a compelling avenue for individuals to harness their entrepreneurial spirit and contribute to the advancement of this sector. One of the key aspects of self-employment within the bioindustries is the diverse range of opportunities it offers. Whether it's through starting a biotech company, becoming a freelance bioinformatics consultant, or launching a sustainable agricultural venture, individuals can find niches that align with their skills, interests, and vision. The flexibility inherent in self-employment allows aspiring bio-entrepreneurs to pursue their passion, projects, and capitalize on emerging trends within the bioindustries. Self-employment schemes within the bioindustries often require a blend of technical expertise and business acumen. For instance, a molecular biologist with an entrepreneurial mindset may embark on a journey to develop and market a breakthrough diagnostic tools, address unmet healthcare needs. Similarly, an agriculturist might explore the potential of organic farming and agribusinessing, promoting sustainable practices while generating incomes. These examples illustrate the symbiotic relationship between science, entrepreneurship, and self-employment in the bioindustries. Moreover, self-employment schemes in the bioindustries play a crucial role in promoting regional development and reducing the unemployment. Rural communities, in particular, can benefit from initiatives that encourage self-employment in agriculture and biotechnologies. These schemes can rejuvenate declining rural economies by fostering innovation, creating jobs, and retaining the talent within the region. As a result, they contribute to a more balanced distribution of economic activity and resources. In recent years, governments and institutions recognized the potential of self-employment schemes in bioindustries and have initiated various programs to support aspiring bio-entrepreneurs. These programs often offer financial incentives, training mentorship, and access to research facilities, enabling individuals to turn their ideas into viable businesses. Moreover, such schemes help to bridge the gap between academia and industry, facilitating the transfer of cutting-edge research and technologies into practical applications. In addition to traditional self-employment schemes, the gig economy has found its way into the bioindustries. Freelancers and independent consultants now have opportunities to offer their specialized skills and expertise to multiple organizations within the sector. This trend is particularly prevalent in bioinformatics, where professionals can work remotely, providing data analysis, computational modeling, and other critical services to research institutions, pharmaceutical companies, and biotech startups. The impact of self-employment in bioindustries extends beyond individual success stories. These schemes contribute to the overall resilience and adaptability of the bioeconomy, as they often lead to diversification of products, services, and business models. A vibrant ecosystem of bio-entrepreneurs can accelerate the pace of innovation as competition drives continuous improvement and the development of groundbreaking solutions. Furthermore, self-employment in bioindustries aligns with the global push for sustainability and environmental friendly practices. Many bio-entrepreneurs are driven by a commitment to develop biodegradable materials, renewable energy resources, and eco-friendly agricultural methods. These initiatives not only address the pressing ecological challenges but also open up new markets and investment opportunities. It is also important to acknowledge that self-employment in bioindustries is not without its challenges. The nature of biotechnological research and development often contributes substantial financial resources, regulatory compliance, and rigorous quality control. Bio-entrepreneurs must navigate complex patent systems, ethical considerations, and market uncertainties. However, the potential reward, both in terms of financial success and societal impact, make these challenges worth addressing. In many cases, self-employment in bioindustries necessitates collaboration and networking. Entrepreneurs often form partnerships with research institutions, universities, and established companies to access resources, expertise, and funding. These collaborations can lead to synergistic innovations that benefit all parties involved and contribute to the growth of bioeconomy as a whole. Now we'll talk about self-employment schemes in relation to the biopharmaceuticals. Self-employment within the biopharmaceutical industry presents a unique and impactful avenue for individuals to contribute to the field while pursuing entrepreneurial endeavors. The biopharmaceutical industry encompasses the development and manufacturing of drugs, vaccines, and therapeutic products derived from biological sources such as living cells and microorganisms. In this context, self-employment schemes take on various forms, each within its own significance and potential impact on innovation, healthcare, and economic growth. One of the most common avenues for self-employment in biopharmaceutical industry is the establishment of small biotech startups. These startups are often founded by scientists, researchers, or entrepreneurs with a deep understanding of biology, chemistry, and pharmacology. They are driven by a vision to bring novel therapeutics, diagnostics, or medical technologies to the market. These ventures typically start with innovative research and developmental projects aimed at addressing unmet medical needs. The significance of biopharmaceutical startups lies in their potential to introduce groundbreaking therapies and treatments that can improve the quality of life for patients with various medical conditions. These startups often focus on niche areas where larger pharmaceutical companies may be less inclined to invest due to high risk and uncertainty associated with early stage research and development. By identifying gaps in the market and pursuing innovative solutions, self-employed individuals in this sector can have a direct and profound impact on healthcare outcomes. Self-employed entrepreneurs in biopharmaceutical field face numerous challenges and opportunities. They must secure funding for their research and developmental efforts, navigate complex regulatory pathway, and establish partnerships with academic institutions and contract research organizations. However, the rewards can be substantial both in terms of financial success and the satisfaction of knowing that their work can lead to life-saving or life-improving therapies. The biopharmaceutical industry also offers self-employment opportunities for professionals with expertise in clinical research, regulatory affairs, and quality assurance. These individuals may choose to work as independent consultants or form their consulting firms offering specialized services to biopharmaceutical companies seeking to navigate the intricate regulatory landscape and ensure compliance with rigorous quality standards. Freelance professionals, including clinical trial monitors, data analysts, and medical writers, can provide their expertise to multiple organizations on a project-by-project basis. This flexibility allows individuals to balance work across various clients while maintaining a self-employed status. Self-employment schemes in biopharmaceuticals also extend to manufacturing and supply chain management. Individuals with expertise in bioprocessing, facility design, and logistics can establish consulting businesses that cater to the specific needs of biopharmaceutical manufacturers. These services are critical for ensuring the efficient production and distribution of biopharmaceutical products, from monoclonal antibodies to gene therapies. Moreover, the biopharmaceutical industry's growing emphasis on personalized medicine and precision therapeutics has created opportunities for self-employed professionals in areas such as pharmacogenomics and genetic counseling. These experts can provide valuable insights to patients and healthcare providers, guiding treatment decisions based on individuals' genetic profile. Now, talking about the self-employment schemes in relation to agricultural biotechnology. Self-employment schemes with the realm of agricultural biotechnology represent a dynamic and impactful avenue for individuals to contribute to agricultural sector, promote sustainability and drive innovations. Agricultural biotechnology involves the application of biological principles and genetic engineering techniques to improve crop and livestock production, enhance the food quality, and address global agricultural challenges. In this context, self-employment schemes take various forms, each with its own significance and potential impact on farming practices, food security, and environmental sustainability. One of the primary avenues for self-employment in agricultural biotechnology is the establishment of agricultural biotech startups. These startups are often founded by scientists, researchers, or entrepreneurs with expertise in genetics, molecular biology, and crop science. They aim to develop and commercialize innovative biotechnological solutions for agriculture, such as genetically modified crops, biopesticides, and biodegradable agricultural materials. The significance of agricultural biotech startups lies in their ability to address critical challenges facing global agriculture. These challenges include the need for increased crop yields to feed a growing world population, resistance to pests and diseases, tolerance to adverse environmental conditions like drought and salinity, and the reduction of chemical inputs in farming. Self-employed entrepreneurs in this sector work to develop and deploy biotechnological solutions that have potential to improve the crop productivity, enhance the food quality, and reduce the environmental impact of agriculture. Entrepreneurs in agricultural biotechnology also face the challenge of navigating complex regulatory frameworks governing the release and commercialization of genetically modified organisms in different countries. These regulations vary widely, and self-employed individuals must understand and comply with the specific requirements in each target market. Another avenue for self-employment in agricultural biotechnology is consulting and advisory services. Individuals with expertise in agricultural genetics, biotechnology regulation, or sustainable farming practices can establish consulting firms to provide specialized services to farmers, agricultural organizations, and biotech companies. These services may include assisting with regulatory compliance, offering guidance on crop improvement strategies, or conducting environmental impact assessments for biotech projects. Self-employment in agricultural biotechnology also aligns with broader trends of sustainable agriculture. Many entrepreneurs in this field are driven by commitment to developing biotechnological solutions that promote environmentally friendly farming practices. For example, the development of genetically engineered crops that require less water or pesticides can contribute to sustainable and resource-efficient agriculture. Now we'll talk about self-employment schemes in relation to industrial biotechnology. Self-employment schemes within the realm of industrial biotechnology offer unique and impactful pathways for individuals to contribute to sustainable manufacturing processes, develop innovative products, and drive economic growth. Industrial biotechnology involves the application of biological principles, genetic engineering, and bioprocessing techniques to industrial and manufacturing sectors. In this context, self-employment schemes encompasses various avenues, each with its own significance and potential impact on the industrial processes, environmental sustainability, and technological advancements. One of the primary avenues for self-employment in industrial biotechnology is the establishment of biotech startups focused on industrial applications. They aim to develop and commercialize biotechnological solutions that can be integrated into industrial processes to enhance the efficiency, reduce the waste, and promote sustainability. The significance of industrial biotech startup lies in their ability to address pressing challenges facing various industries, including the chemical, pharmaceutical, energy, and food sectors. These challenges may include the need for greener and more sustainable manufacturing processes, the reduction of greenhouse gas emission, and the development of biodegradable materials, and the optimization of biofuel production. Self-employed entrepreneurs in the sector work to develop and deploy biotechnological innovations that can lead to more efficient and environmentally friendly industrial practices. Entrepreneurs in industrial biotechnology also face the challenge of navigating complex regulatory frameworks, especially when dealing with the novel bioproducts and bioprocesses. They must understand and comply with regulatory requirements related to safety, environmental impact assessments, and intellectual property protection. Another avenue for self-employment in industrial biotechnology is consulting and advisory services. Individuals with expertise in bioprocess engineering, bioreactor design, or biotechnology regulation can establish consulting firms to provide specialized services to industrial clients seeking to integrate biotechnological solutions into their operations. These services may include process optimization, regulatory compliance consulting, or technology transfer expertise. Professionals such as bioprocess engineers, microbiologists, and bioinformatic experts can offer their specialized skills and knowledge on a project-by-project basis to industrial companies and research institutions. This flexibility allows individuals to work across various projects and clients while maintaining a self-employed status. Self-employment in industrial biotechnology aligns with the broader trend of sustainable industrial practices. Many entrepreneurs in this field are driven by a commitment to developing biotechnological solutions that reduce the environmental footprint of industrial processes, promote circular economy principles, and reduce the dependence on fossil fuels. The impact of self-employment in industrial biotechnology extends beyond individual success stories. These schemes contribute to the overall sustainability and competitiveness of industrial sector. They foster innovation, drive the adoption of cleaner and more sustainable technologies, and facilitate the transition to a more environmentally responsible industrial landscape. We'll talk about the self-employment schemes in relation to environmental biotechnology. Self-employment within the field of environmental biotechnology provide individuals with opportunity to make a significant impact on environmental conservation, sustainable resource management, and the development of eco-friendly technologies. Environmental biotechnology is a multidisciplinary field that applies biological principles and processes to address environmental challenges. It encompasses various avenues, each with its own significance and potential for promoting environmental sustainability and economic growth. One of the primary avenues for self-employment in environmental biotechnology is the establishment of startups with aim to develop and commercialize biotechnological solutions that can mitigate environmental pollution, improve waste treatment processes, and promote sustainable practices. The significance of environmental biotech startup lies in their ability to address pressing environmental issues, including pollution, waste management, and resource conservation. Self-employed entrepreneurs in this sector work to develop and deploy biotechnological innovations that can lead to cleaner air and water, more efficient waste treatment, and the restoration of ecosystems. They may focus on areas such as bioremediation, that is, the use of microorganisms to clean up the contaminants, wastewater treatment, or the development of sustainable materials from renewable resources. Startups in environmental biotechnology typically require extensive research and developmental efforts, laboratory and field testing, and compliance with environmental regulations. Entrepreneurs in this field work to demonstrate the effectiveness and safety of their biotechnological solutions, which often involve the use of microorganisms or enzymes to break down the pollutants or enhance the natural processes. Another avenue for self-employment in environmental biotechnology is consulting and advisory services. Individuals with their expertise in environmental microbiology, bioprocess engineering, or environmental policy can establish consulting firms to provide specialized services to government agencies, environmental organizations, and private companies. These services may include environmental impact assessments, regulatory compliance consulting, or technology evaluation and recommendation. Self-employment in environmental biotechnology aligns with the broader global push for environmental sustainability and eco-friendly practices. Many entrepreneurs in this field are driven by a commitment to developing biotechnological solutions that reduce the environmental harm, conserve natural resources, and promote a circular economy. Discussing about the self-employment schemes in relation to food and beverage biotechnology. Self-employment schemes within the realm of food and beverage biotechnology offer individuals the opportunity to contribute to the development of sustainable and innovative food products, improve food safety, and address global challenges in the food and beverage industry. Food and beverage biotechnology involve the application of biological principles, genetic engineering, and bioprocessing techniques to enhance food production processes and safety. In this context, self-employment schemes encompass various avenues, each with its significance and potential impact on food industry, nutrition, and environmental sustainability. One of the primary avenues for self-employment in food and beverage biotechnology is to develop and commercialize biotechnological solutions that can improve the nutritional content, taste, safety, and sustainability of food and beverage. Such solutions have potential to address critical issues facing the food and beverage industry, including food security, food waste reduction, and the development of alternative protein sources. Self-employed entrepreneurs in this sector work to deploy and develop biotechnological innovations that can lead to healthier, more sustainable, and environmentally friendly food options. They may focus on areas such as food fortification, fermentation, plant-based protein production, or the development of functional foods. Startups in food and beverage biotechnology typically require extensive research and developmental efforts, including product formulation, sensory testing, and quality control. Entrepreneurs work to demonstrate the safety, efficacy, and consumer acceptability of their biotechnological food products, often navigating regulatory requirements related to food safety and labeling. Further, individuals with expertise in food safety, food microbiology, food formulation, or regulatory affairs can establish consulting firms to provide specialized services to food manufacturers, startups, and regulatory agencies. These services may include food safety audits, regulatory compliance consulting, product development support, or quality assurance. In conclusion, the impact of self-employed in food and beverage biotechnology contribute to the overall sustainability of the food industry, support the development of alternate protein sources such as plant-based and lab-grown meats, and help to reduce the environmental footprint of food production. Furthermore, they play a role in improving global food security by addressing the challenges related to food supply chains and reducing post-harvest losses. Now, discussing the self-employment schemes in relation to healthcare and medical biotechnology. Self-employment schemes within the healthcare and medical biotechnology sector provide individuals with opportunities to innovate, develop life-saving medical solutions, and to contribute to the advancements of the healthcare. Healthcare and medical biotechnology involve the application of biological principles, genetics, and biotechnology to improve healthcare delivery, develop new treatments, and address medical challenges. In this context, self-employment schemes encompass various avenues, each with its significance and potential impact on healthcare, medical research, and patient outcomes. Scientists, medical professionals, entrepreneurs, or researchers with expertise in genetics, molecular biology, or clinical medicine aim to develop and commercialize biotechnological solutions that can improve diagnostics, treatments, and patient care. The significance of these solutions include the development of novel therapies, diagnostic tools, and medical devices. self-employed entrepreneurs in this sector work to develop and deploy biotechnological innovations that can lead to better patient outcomes, reduced healthcare costs, and advancements in medical research. They may focus on areas such as precision medicine, gene therapy, regenerative medicine, or the development of medical devices and diagnostics. The impact of self-employment in healthcare and medical biotechnology extend beyond individual success stories. These schemes contribute to the overall advancement of medical knowledge, the development of innovative therapies, and the improvement of healthcare systems. Furthermore, they play a crucial role in addressing global health challenges such as rare diseases, pandemics, and healthcare disparities. If we talk about the self-employment schemes in relation to bioindustries in India, India has actively promoted self-employment and entrepreneurship in its bioindustries through various government initiatives and programs. These initiatives aim to support and nurture startups, innovative businesses, and individuals seeking to establish themselves in the biotechnology and life science sector. Here are some of the key government initiatives and programs in India's bioindustries. First, Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council or BIRAC, Biotechnology Ignition Grant or BIG. This scheme provides early stage funding to startups and entrepreneurs in the biotechnology sector. It supports proof of concept research and technology validation. BIG Sparsh, a variant of BIG program Sparsh, focusing on innovations in medical devices, diagnostics, and healthcare. Big Prayas. Prayas is designed to support innovations in the social sector using biotechnology. It encourages entrepreneurs to address societal challenges. BioNest BIRAC supports the establishment of BioNest incubators across India. These centers provide infrastructure and mentorship to biotech startups. Startup India. The Startup India initiative offers various benefits to startups, including simplified compliance processes, access to funding, and intellectual property protection. It encourages entrepreneurship in biotechnology sector. Make in India. Make in India promotes the manufacturing sector including biopharmaceuticals and medical devices. It encourages the investment in manufacturing infrastructure which benefits the self-employed entrepreneurs in these areas. National Biopharma Mission NBM. NBM is a government initiative aimed at accelerating the biopharmaceutical development in India. It includes programs such as the Innovators in Public Health IPHI program, which supports innovators and entrepreneurs working on healthcare solutions. Biotechnology parks and incubators. The government has established biotechnology parks and incubators across the country to provide startups and entrepreneurs with infrastructure, resources, and mentorship. Examples include Biotechnology Incubation Center BIC at IIT Delhi and the IKP Knowledge Park in Hyderabad. DBT BIRAC, Regional Entrepreneurship Centers. BREC is a joint initiative of Department of Biotechnology DBT and BIRAC to promote entrepreneurship in biotechnology. These centers offer training, mentorship, and support to budding entrepreneurs. Department of Biotechnology Schemes. Department of Biotechnology offers several schemes to support research, development, and entrepreneurship in biotechnology. These include grants for research projects, infrastructure development, and technology commercialization. National Bioresource Development Board NBDB. NBDB promotes sustainable utilization of biological resources and supports self-employment opportunities in biotechnology related to biodiversity, bioinformatics, and bioprospecting. National Entrepreneurship Development Board NEDB. NEDB under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship supports entrepreneurship development across sectors including biotechnology. State level initiatives. Many Indian states have their own entrepreneurship and innovation promotion programs. States like Karnataka with BioNest and Kerala with KSUM have actively encouraged startups and entrepreneurs in biotechnology. Venture Capital and Angel Investor Network. The government has encouraged the growth of venture capital funds and angel investor networks that specifically focus on biotechnology and life science startups. These government initiatives and programs provide a conducive ecosystem for self-employed individuals and entrepreneurs in Indian bioindustries. They offer financial support, infrastructure, mentorship, and regulatory assistance, making it easier for the individuals and startups to innovate, develop biotechnological solutions, and contribute to the growth of bioindustry sector in the country. With this, we will conclude today's lecture. Thank you.